Benton County prosecutors are not charging anybody in the death of Ashley Guevara. The young mother fell out of a moving car last October, then another car hit her. Tonight we ask why and hear from the prosecutor's office and Ashley's family, who was hoping for a different answer. The pain of losing Ashley Guevara is still clear.
Everybody's just kind of scrambling day by day, trying to be there for one another. Nothing's ever the same.
At this very intersection, Deputy Prosecutor Andrew Clark says video shows Ashley opening the passenger door as the driver was turning left.
And immediately our understanding is the back passengers yelled that she'd fell out, and then she immediately pulled into a parking lot. She didn't flee the scene or anything like that.
The driver's actions, Clark says, are okay under law.
The hit and run statute specifically approves of people moving their vehicles onto adjacent streets and into parking lots and not obstructing the roadway with their vehicle.
Ashley's cousin Tiffany Duggar says friends tried to wave down oncoming traffic so they could get to her. But one driver allegedly didn't see them, ran over Ashley, and kept going. Her family wants someone held accountable.
The impact was so loud. The camera was across the street, and you could hear it as if somebody took a hammer to the camera.
But
under the law in the state of Washington, if you drive negligently and it results in a collision that results in death, it is not vehicular homicide. There was no evidence of impairment. The speed estimates were 32 miles an hour. There was no weaving, no disobeying traffic lights.
Clark says his office cannot prove that the second driver knew what he hit. And at first, there wasn't apparent damage to the car.
It was not until they got it up on jacks and got underneath it, they brought in the WSP forensic unit to find forensic evidence. And that's how they're able to tell that, yes, we actually have the right vehicle.
It's not the answer Ashley's family had hoped for.
We're upset, obviously, because the fact that the person that hit her drove off. I don't see how there can be no justice in that.
Us deciding not to file criminal charges is not us condoning what happened. It's saying that there's a piece that we would have to prove that we can't.
We deserve justice. She deserves justice. She died, and she shouldn't have died, and she leaves behind her baby boy.
Ashley's cousin did go on to say they know the second driver did not intentionally mean to kill Ashley, but wish he would have stopped. Ashley's family says they are looking into other options, like forwarding the case to the state level. Stay with Cap KVU Local News for any developments in this story.